Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Changkuoth Nyak with a very sad update from Untold State. At least 9 people have been killed and 10 others injured in a violent clash that lasted 2 days in Mayom County. The fighting happened between the communities of Wright and Wangbor Payam and was sparked by a dispute between 2 young men over a girlfriend. According to the State Minister of Information, Gadwij B. Palbut, the violence is unrelated to previous revenge killing in the area. Of those killed, 5 were from Rea Payam and 4 from Wangbor. Sadly, no arrests have been made yet, but authorities are working to bring those responsible to justice. Untold State Coordinator of the Street Children Care Initiative, Ria Kwang, condemned the killing and warned that without arrest, such violence could happen again. He also sent his heartfelt condolence to the families of the victim during this very difficult time. This tragic event is a harsh reminder of the fragile security situation in part of South Sudan. Please join me in hoping for peace and justice. Thank you for watching and stay safe. Do not forget to support the channel by subscribing. Thank you. Bye-bye.